Once, in a small village, there lived a poor little boy named Arif. He wore torn clothes, walked barefoot, and worked at a tea stall after school to help his sick mother. Other children laughed at him for being poor, but Arif never stopped dreaming. He had one big wish: to become a doctor, so no one else's mother would suffer without treatment like his. But his family couldn't even afford books, let alone medical school. Every night, after finishing work, Arif would sit under a streetlight with borrowed books and study for hours. He listened to school lectures carefully, wrote notes on scrap paper, and never missed a single class, even when he was tired or hungry. One day, a kind customer at the tea stall noticed Arif studying while serving tea. He was a retired professor. Impressed by Arif's determination, he began tutoring him for free. Years passed. Arif faced many failures and rejections: no money, no support, no encouragement from society. But he never gave up. Finally, after endless struggles, Arif cracked the medical entrance exam with top marks. He got a scholarship to a prestigious university. Years later, Arif returned to his village, not as a tea boy, but as doctor. Arif, the most respected doctor in the region. He built a small clinic in his village, treated poor patients for free, and always told young kids, "I was once like you. The world may doubt you, but never doubt yourself."